Thanks for tuning in for another week of Commodore Connections, week 17.
Saturday, February 17th, light chance of rain, high 41, low 31. Partly cloudy, high of 56, low of 48. For lunch. 19th, the 19th, spaghetti, corn, breadsticks, applesauce. The 20th, chicken patty on bun, peas and pears. 21st, sausage, egg, biscuit, and gravy, hash brown, cooked apples. The 22nd, burrito, green beans and peaches. 23rd, Bosco sticks, french fries, marinara sauce, pineapple. Hi, my name is Bella Bryant. I am here with Mrs. Bryant. Have you lived in Perry County your whole life?
No, I have not.
How long have you lived in Perry County?
I moved to Perry County when I was 18, and I just turned 30, so however long that is.
What are a few of your favorite things to do when you're not in school?
In the summer, I go out on the boat a lot. I love to be out on the water. I like to hang out with my kids, Abby and Hayden, and my husband, Bear, I guess. And I don't know. I go to Walmart a lot.
What is your job title and what does it include each day?
I'm a teacher's assistant, and I teach a specials class which is called Minds in Motion. In the mornings, I'm a teacher's assistant, and I work in Mr. Elliott's and Miss Linton's classes. I usually make copies or go and get stuff that they need, and I help other kids. I pull them back in small groups. I'm in Miss Schwartz's class a lot, and I do just whatever Miss Schwartz asks me to do, really, in her class. And then in the afternoon for Minds in Motion, I get the kids up and moving and try to get the blood pumping to their brains and just let them have fun, really.
As we wrap up our interview, what is one random fact about you that you would like to share with our viewers?
One random fact about me. I do not like the color orange. Like, it's my least favorite color of all, but I really like to eat oranges. That's pretty random, right?
Thanks, Mrs. B.
And that's all we got for Commodore Connections this week. Stay tuned for what is to follow. Have a good evening. Goodbye.